All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Today we're going to be looking at my Nova ring. This is the Nova Smart Ring. Currently, you know I've been wearing the Ultra Human ring for quite some time. Samsung has a new ring coming out. Tons of places has the rings now. And this is just where we are headed, folks. You're going to, after a while, you won't have to have a smartwatch for fitness. You'll be able to do it all through one of these Ultra rings or these rings that companies have for fitness. I gotta say though, gotta say it, I like this box. This is a really nice box. This is the way it comes in the box to you. You see Nova Smart there, and then you got all your information down here. Now, this offers personalized health recommendations, obviously, via AI, and it helps track your sleep. And you can, it's just like any other ring like this. It just goes, it just works. There's no interruption. You just wear it, and it reports back the data to you. And the good part is there's no subscription or anything like that. And they say they don't sell your information, but there's no subscription. Like most places say they don't sell your information. So basically it's going to be stored on the device. Basically that's all that means. And this is IP68 waterproof. So it should be pretty good. Stress and women, ladies, if you had for your menstrual cycle, it'll track you for that too. It comes in different configurations. Yes, I'm making you wait, but I'm going to go show you what color I got here. It comes in different configurations for the colors, and it's only 3 millimeters. It's a titanium casing, obviously, weighs 4 grams, and the battery life is up to 7 days. Like most of these, it's up to 7 days. That's just how it is. So I'm gonna get here to mine. What they'll do is they'll send you a ring sizing kit first, and then you will you'll go ahead and let them know what size you want, and then they'll send it to you. Now, this is what this ring. Obviously, this is a lot different than my Ultra Human ring. This one has some flair. You know, you can kind of see all the components and things like that. Really nice. This is supposed to be a size 13. Let's see. Yep, feels good. Now, there's a component right here that needs to be facing down on this portion. On the Ultra Human ring, you'll see it's just a little bump right there. So that is my ring. Obviously, it's a size 13. It definitely fits. This is a 12. I went up to a 13 on this one because this one, when your body heats up and it expands, your jewelry gets tighter. I know this isn't something that you don't know already, but if you didn't know, that's what happens. So here's some paperwork information and manuals. Make sure you read those manuals if it's your first time using an Ultra ring or some kind of Nova ring. Make sure, smart rings, I shall say. Just make sure you read those because you're going to need to. Now here is the cable here for charging more than likely. It should be just a Type C. Oh, it's Type C to Type A. Wow, that's kind of a disappointment that they're still using Type A. But I understand a lot of places, I'm not going to use it. I'm going to just use a regular Type C. Unless I have to use that, I'm not going to use that. But I appreciate them putting it in there. And then here is their very eclectic charging stand right here. As you can see. So this ring is going to go on that stand magnetically like that. And that is cool. Then you got your Type C. Yeah, I don't have to use it. So there's Type C down there. So in order to pair this, you're going to have to plug it in. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. Get all these manuals and stuff back in here. Now, like all things, you need to have an application. Now, you'll need to sign up for this when you get your ring in. I have it plugged up here, and you can see it's kind of blinking red inside of there. I don't know if you can see that. You see it? Yep. So that means it's charging. So you'll hit Add Smart Device. But this application looks very similar to other smart applications for your data. When you're receiving the data, this looks very familiar to other ones. So this should be pretty good. The first tab here obviously is your recovery tab. Now this, I don't think I have this on my other one, recovery tab. They send me a message pretty much with the recovery for the week. And this is my sleep. I like how it's these quick tabs down here separated. And this is just to play some sounds to relieve stress. Very nice, little short ones you can do. And this is going to be my profile and everything down here. So let's go ahead and hit add. We're going to allow it. We're going to allow it. It's going to search, and it found my ring right there, Nova Crystal. It needs to be plugged up in order to start working. Your first initial, you need to plug it up. It needs to be on the charger to sync it. And you got your exercise there. Okay, cool. I'm getting ready to do a quick workout, so I will see. And it looks like it's paired. I don't see anything. Okay, yeah, there it is. It's paired. Okay, so I wish I could see, like on my other one, I like that I could see the battery, if it's full or not, unless I'm going too fast and I missed it. It's a stress, blood, HRV, heart rate, exercise, sleep. Please fill the day's tag. Okay, yeah, no, I don't see anything yet. So let me go up here. Shows connected. Let's see if there's a firmware update. Looks like it's up to date. All right. Yeah, this one is definitely a little bit different than the other one. You can do your goal setting here. 8,000 steps, exercise goal per day, calories, and exercise limit. So, all right. Let me go to about. It should be, no, upgrade to beta version. That's different. Okay, anyway. It should be a spot here for battery, but let me take it off and see if that does anything. If it shows the battery percentage, it's at 100%. That's why. All right, so their battery percentage is actually over. This came charged to 100%. I'm shocked. In comparison to Ultra Human, this one I'm wearing over here, the battery is down at the bottom, or you can press down at that. You can press at the top corner up there. You see this one's down there. But I kind of like this Nova one because it's oh, here we go. You just go to over here and you can see the battery percentage there. So that's pretty. This application as a whole already is actually really fast and fluid for now. So I'm going to go ahead and do a workout and then I'll follow up with you guys for sure. But I definitely like the look of this. This is a very cool ring. It's kind of completely transparent and you've got some Nova branding on here. And you can see all the inner workings of everything. You got your serial number right there. You just got everything right here in your face. And this little area right here goes down here. So let's check. Let's refresh and see if it has picked up anything. Nope, nothing. It refreshes really quick. Let's see if I can do a heart rate. This is taking a long time to do. Okay, there we go. I was wondering, I was like, man, it's taking a long time to do a heart rate. So 77 heart rate is, it's within range for my age. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do a workout. I'm going to start putting this to the test. This is the Nova ring, man. This is actually a really nice ring. Just to make sure you have your ring in the right position. It can actually read your measurements, and then you're on your way. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and knock out a quick workout, and I'll compare it next to the Ultra Human just to see which one I think is better. Now, right off the rip, actually, I like the way the Nova ring looks in comparison. They both come in different versions, but I chose this stealth matte gray one over here for this one, and then this one has the colorful, real vibrant, eclectic, techie style to it. So, it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. The Nova Smart Ring is here. I'm getting ready to put it to a test with a quick workout and see how well it measures. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will follow up later. See you in the next one. Take care.